Hello everyone. Today I will teach you in this video how to do shading in an object. So, how to hold the pencil? What pencils are used in the shading? Like we have to use 2B, 4B and 6B. We can use 8B and 10B also for extra darkness. So now I'm using 2B, here 4B also and 6B. So, in the beginning, we should know how to hold the pencil in a right way. So, there are two methods to hold the pencil. One is to hold like this and shade in this way. From dark to light. And the other method to hold the pencil is in this way. Again, from darkness to the lightness. So, these are the two methods. These are basically the shading pencils. They are very soft and smudges easily. So this is the effect of 2B pencil. Now I will tell you how the 4B works. It is little bit more soft and darker than 2B. Now this is the shading with 6B pencil. This is more darker than 4B. This is to give the extra darkness. Now here we should know how to shade. When we give a dark shade, it is done with heavy pressure on the fingers while holding the pencil. Then in the second coat, the medium shade with the less heavy pressure in shading with the pencil. Then the third coat, the light shade downside with the light pressure on the pencil. In this part, upper part, there is a darkness with pressure on pencil. Now moving on to the lightness and the less pressure on the pencil. So we can give the extra darkness in the starting point. Again with the fourth coat, we can use here 6B, 8B, 10B. And we have to start with the darkness and we have to put less pressure while going downside with the light shading. So you can give extra darkness with darkest pencil, darkest number on the pencil, that is 8B or 10B. So this will give a 3D effect. So in this way, we will learn how to shade with the pencil from darkness to the lightness. Now, the most important, when we shade any object, when we capture an object and shade it with using pencils, this element is the value. This is a very important element of art that is used in the pencil shading. So there are 7 tonal values in this scale of value. From starting, the extra darkness is given. This we can give with the 6B, 8B, 10B. This is pure black is given in the first block. Now the second tone, which is just the darkness. And this is the third tone. Which is called the middle tone. So in this way, the tones get to the lighter. So in this way, every tone gets lighter when they reach to last tonal value, that is the light. Now here I will tell you different shades, different tones used in this ball. Like this is a highlight and this is the middle tone. This is a core shadow, that is the darkest part. This is the reflection light shown in the bottom of the ball, and this is a cast shadow which occurred by the light falling on the ball. So now here I will teach you how to shade this circle. So suppose the light is falling from this side. The shadow will be on the front side. The light is falling from the left side. The reflection will be on the opposite side, that is right side. So this is the circular object that I am going to shade. Now please carefully see how I am shading. I am using the 2B initially to give the first coat of shading. So, however, I have told you that the 7 tones are used in the object when we start shading. So this is the first coat by 2B, and then I have used 4B and then 6B. For the extra darkness, I have used the 8B and 10B. So we have to leave the space for the light. We don't have to shade on that. Now I'm smudging with the cotton. Now my first coat is done. Now I'm going to do the second one. This I'm using the 4B. Again, I'm not putting so much pressure on the pencil. I'm doing very softly. I'm just shading in a very soft manner. You can use multiple coats of shading. Again, I am smudging it with the cotton. So, as much as you will use the multiple coats of shades, it will get finer, it will get softer, and the roundity will appear on the object.